Alright, so using Crest 3D white strips is an easy way to brighten your smile, and here's how to do it step by step. So first of all, make sure to brush your teeth before applying the strips. This helps the strips stick better. Open the package, take out the strips. You'll find two of them. One for the top of your teeth and one for the bottom of your teeth. Okay? Top row, bottom row. Next, carefully peel off the backing of each of the strip. Place the sticky side of the top of the strip against your teeth, making sure it covers all the visible areas. Press it gently so it sticks well. Do the same with the bottom strip. Now it's time to wait. Most strips need about 30 minutes on, but check the instructions on the box to be sure. During this time, try not to eat or drink anything. After the time is up, carefully peel off the strips, peel them off and throw them away. And finally, don't forget to brush your teeth again after using the strips. You can use Crest 3D white strips every day for a week or as directed on the package. Soon you'll notice a brighter, wider smile.